When I did first meet Urs, it was at a SAMPE conference. I was impressed by his passion about solving our civil engineering infrastructure problems with carbon composites, making our daily lives safer with his very smart idea of post-stressing carbon concrete structures. And his broad and detailed knowledge and a very precise Swiss perfection did convince me as much. First of all, his brilliant idea of improving concrete structures with post-stressed carbon reinforcement and the know-how of using large carbon tenders for bridges. But the biggest contribution is that he did spread his knowledge to thousands of his students, multiplication know-how by sharing. I was impressed by his study that years ago nobody thought that it is reasonably possible to build a bridge over the Strait of Gibraltar. Now, with the knowledge of Urs, it could be technically possible. With the contribution of Urs, bridges can be built more efficient with carbon composites. They can be partly pre-manufactured and installed in a much shorter time. Or large bridges can be built cost-effectively with a charming lightweight beauty, so his impact can be visible for next decades.